Hello and welcome to another Map Center 2.0 video tutorial. In this clip, I will show you how to create a farm and add a field using the FSA CLU boundaries. These CLU boundaries, or common land units, are provided to you by the FSA. So, first off, let us go and search for an area where we would like to add a farm and a field. I am selecting my zoom tool, and I'm going to select the Devil's Lake area. We'll zoom just a little bit more in here. And to get our bearings, let us turn on our virtual Earth background. And let that load up there. Okay, perfect. Now let's first actually create a farm. I'm a new user, so I want to go down here to Field Management. Now I have two farms down here for other tutorials, but for this tutorial I'm going to select the button New Farm. And simply put, I will write in my Devil's Lake farm. And we'll set save there. Let it refresh, and now you see that there is not just two, but there's a third farm here, and the second one is called Devil's Lake Farm. And you see in here there are no fields yet, so let us add a field. So let's select the arrow tool up here, and let's click it one more time, and it'll open up this flyout menu. And this other blue, this dark blue arrow, this actually will turn on your FSA CLU boundary layer list. And let that load up here, and what you should see in a moment is a bunch of blue lines coming up. And let us close out Field Management, and there we go. Now let us go ahead and zoom in just a little bit more. Let's go down to this region right here. Excellent. And perfect. Now let's go ahead and select that arrow tool again, and why don't you go ahead and grab one or two different boundaries, just like so. They will highlight in red, and you'll know that they're highlighted for two ways. One, that you will see them on the map as red, just like this, and two, if you open up the Farms, Fields, and Boundaries list, you see under the folder FSA, you see two boundaries right here. Now they're not saved, but they do give you a bearing of what you have selected. So let's convert those two boundaries into a couple of fields. And now, as you notice down in the left-hand corner here, there is now a green plus button. Let's go ahead and click on that in the farm. And we have those two boundaries there. Let us go ahead and rename those. My field 1 and my field 2. Go ahead and hit save, and you're going to notice a couple of things. The field management is going to refresh here, and now you see my field 1 and my field 2 as saved fields underneath my Devil's Lake farm. Now you'll also know that they are no longer in the FSA CLU the FSA folder. They are now under my Devil's Lake farm as a farm folder saved under Farms and Fields. Now those are permanently saved. They're already on our server, and now you can make some analyses, you can make some soil maps, and you can save a whole bunch of attributes to this. So that's the first step. If you have any questions about that, you can join us at www.satshot.com. Visit us on Twitter/Satshot or at youtube.com/Satshot for more tutorials. Thank you, and happy farming.